What's up, YouTube? It's Flex with Desi, and honestly, you guys, I will not be doing Amazon Flex like that anymore. I am going to be doing Instacart, you guys, and Bae and I are going to be doing this together, you guys. So I'm really excited to let you guys know to stay tuned as far as for that. It's his first time doing it today. I will be doing mine tomorrow, so kind of give you guys a little bit more information on it. But so far, it's pretty dope. Finished our first batch today, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. You guys can see getting it done. So right now, Instacarting right now with boyfriend. There's the bread, jello, and you gotta follow the instructions. Did you want me to put it in your cart after you done? You scanned everything over there? Teamwork makes the dream work, as you can see. Got to get the Lunchables and the Oscar meat. How do you feel about your first order?
It was good, man. You know, a little stressful. You know, first time.
Yeah, right.
But we got it done though.
Yes, we did.
Now
so
we
now
gotta
we just take it to her house.
Now we gotta get there for 5:03.
Alright, so Bae just finished his first order with Instacart.
Ooh, that's good. Now we gotta go deliver.
So what's some advice you would tell people for your first order, honestly?
It's gonna always be like a lot of stuff out of stock. So when it's out of stock, just make sure you text and ask for the replacement. And if they don't text back, just stand there and wait 5 minutes. If they don't text back, just take a picture and just have the replacement in your bin just in case they want you to take that item.
So do you prefer to deliver food or supplies?
Okay, my first try was supplies. My first batch was supplies, but when we went, they didn't have none, so I can't really say. But food, it was so fast, and it was. I gotta get my what can you say? My aisles down packed. So looking for the stuff. That's it. Read more signs. Read the signs. The signs are useful.
Really. And the good thing about it is when looking for the stuff, they have it in a category. So when you're looking for like Lunchables and stuff, it'll say meats. When you're looking for detergent, it'll literally say detergent. So it's pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and deliver this. And are you doing another one?
Yep. After this one, we're gonna do another one. We're gonna do goal for the day is 5.
So we're gonna get into it. Right now it's only 4:32 over here. So y'all stay tuned.
By the way, when doing Instacart, you see, make sure you always keep their receipt. So when you get there, you take a photo of the receipt and you give them their receipt.
And why is that?
Because they have to sum up to the amount total that they pay, that they want to pay for. Because you have to think sometimes it'll be different replacements, so it'll be a different amount of money that they first order was, but we picked the replacement, so it's a new price.
Good advice, baby.
My bad for the starter, and I have a hard time a little talking, so y'all gotta bear with me.
So what are the two cards for? They give you that card and they give you another card. What are
this card is basically like your employee badge, basically, and then they give you this badge. I mean, they give you this card right here. It's my wallet. They give you this card right here. So when you get to the register, the money is already basically you're a millionaire with this card right here.
A millionaire?
Yeah, because basically it's already money on here. So basically all you get to do is go to the register and you just swipe. That's it.
So can you take the money out?
No. You can't take the money out. Nah, I'm just saying like you just go. I did alright.
PJs for this one. Bae's getting the cart. And how many items?
9 items at PJs.
So we're gonna do this together. We don't gotta split up on this one.
And for this item, well, we need make sure when you come in the shopping, due to COVID, wipe your thing down, wipe everything down.
And wear your mask.
And wear your mask, yeah.
Pull yours up, baby. Already in the works. And you gotta scan as you go.
about this, kind of skeptical because it's a little dirty. But
We'll wipe it off
do a little wipe off, you know.
when we get up there.
But it's the best inspiration date though. It's the best one you're gonna get in here. You see that? That's the 29th. It's only the 15th.
So we're looking good. Can you scan it?
And I gotta clean it off first.
We'll wipe it when we get up there, baby. It's wipes and stuff.
Found item. Then you just scan it. Boop. Make sure you always scan. But when you working with Instacart, make sure you go up and down, because you never know you can be on the same aisle or something and you got another order.
Yes.
I mean another item on there.
You heard him. Scan. Is there advice you want to give YouTube?
Make sure when you order, when you shopping for Instacart, you see how this look right here? It's how it's open, bent up. You don't want to get that. Who I know, I learned it's quality. I learned that from Amazon. This is my part-time job. This is a side job. I work at Amazon full-time, so I pick. So this is like quality. This is perfect right here.
Exactly, and that's what the customer needs. Get on up. Alright, so YouTube, we just finished the second batch and Bae has some advice he wants to give you guys.
Hold on, babe. Cut it, man.
Well, he's texting the customer right now, so. But we're doing good on time, you guys. Right now it's 5:41 and our first batch was at 4:30, so we just finished the second batch, and so pretty much we're doing another one after this one.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna do another one and give you guys an update as far as for that. So once he's ready, I'll cut the camera back on.
So yeah, when you go to BJ's, like I think they do it for BJ's and Sam's. I don't know yet about Sam's, but when you go to BJ's, the good thing about BJ's is you can skip checkout. You can go straight to the front door, and you don't have to do no checkout, no nothing. You can go straight to the exit. The guy at the door is Instacart is gonna give you a QR code to scan. So the guy at the door is gonna scan the QR code, and then from there he's gonna scan all the products that you pick from the shelves, and then he's gonna scan every last one of them. And then after that, it's fresh out the door. You're good. No receipt, no nothing. Ready to go in for another one. Right here, third one out here at Oakleaf, Publix. This is our big order of the day. You know, this is our first big order of the day. We have 43 items to pick today, so we're gonna go in and get it done fast.
And what we do is we split up.
Eyebrows.
All right, let's go. Go to it.
But nah, baby, let's go.
Do your thing, whatever works best for you.
Okay.
This one, it started me off in bakery, so I'm just doing whatever it tells me to do.
Okay, I'm coming. What you got?
I'll meet up with you.
Just got done with our big order of the day, so we on to our fourth order of the day. This one is a two-person order, so we have two people we have to grocery shop for. So, as y'all can see, A and B.
Looking decent.
And we will show y'all how that ends after we get done shopping. Have a good one.
Y'all stay tuned. First cart with the first order. And they got the second cart with the second. All right, so y'all, it is about what,
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock, you guys.
We started at 3 today.
Basically. And when I tell y'all, it's been real good. Bae's been doing good for his first batch.
So,
any advice for people that's taking up 2 orders for one?
Yeah, I'm about to tell y'all, we just did a double order with 2 people. So it's like you make sure you keep the orders separate. When you're doing 2 orders and you by yourself, cause I was with my babe today.
You know.
But if you was by yourself, you have to take 2 baskets. But if you with somebody else, get one person to do one order and the other person do the other order, and then y'all meet up and then just scan stuff together, and then go on from there.
Things to remember. Let them know about it.
Things to remember. Some people might you might not see some items on there. Some people might want extra items, and so they'll keep at. We're driving. My bad. I was driving. Some people keep extra items on there. I mean, add extra items to their order. So you will have to pay attention to your phone while you're shopping. Cause it'll be like the item will just pop up. It'll notify you though if you keep the notifications on, but the item will just pop up and it'll be down there. Just so you have to make sure you're watching.
Talk to them about the communication with the customer.
Oh yeah, make sure when you talk to your customer, even though because y'all look at me and tell I don't take the BS. But
be serious.
If you keep it professional, just keep it professional. If they try to disrespect you or anything, just keep it professional and just be like, hey, ma'am, I don't tolerate that, or be like, sir, I don't tolerate that. Sir, I'ma still bring your food, but I will not be stuff like that. Just keep it professional. Don't let nobody throw you off your ego. You're here to make money, not run the money away. You're here to make money, not run it away.
I like that, babe. Not to run the money away. So we're basically wrapping it up. We're heading out to go ahead and deliver the groceries to the last two, but we basically did 4 routes today, which was really decent. I felt like was really good. So yeah, any other things you want to tell you too?
Get Instacart, subscribe, like, get our channel up to 500 before the end of the month.
I think he meant within like 3 months from now. But we're going to work on it. We're going to work on it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all stay tuned.